Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to disable and enable a single user's account using Windows PowerShell. So let's say I have a test user account here, which is called test1. So I want to actually disable this account. It's a single user. So mind you, if you want to disable multiple users accounts, there are still ways to do that. I'm going to create a different video on how to disable multiple users accounts. But to disable a single user's account using PowerShell is very simple. So what we need to do is we're going to enter the following command. Just put disable, and then we're going to say it's going to be an add day active directory account. So when you type the tab, just enter tab, is going to actually complete that name for you. So what I'm going to do is you're going to enter the identity. So enter tab. Here it may take some time. Let me see. Okay, the identity, and then we're going to actually enter the identity of that user, which is called test1. So here you can see I'm entering the logon name of that user's account. So if I double click on the user here, if I go to account, we can see the user's logon name is test1. While on the general you can see I have a test, but we'll have a space. So don't add a space to it. You have to always use the user's logon name. So let me just close this, and then I'm going to put, let me just enter pers2 and then click enter. Here you can see that enable has been changed to false. So before it was actually true, but it has been changed to false. So if I click, let me just try to refresh. Yeah, you can see that now the account has been disabled. So if I click, I can decide to actually enable the account with just by right clicking on the account and click enabled, but we can decide it to just, let me just enter the same command again and change the disable to enable. And you can see the account has been enabled and changed to true. So if I decide to refresh again, here you can see that account has been changed again to enable. So here if I right click, I have the option to actually disable this account. But if for example I can connect to this domain controller using PowerShell, like the PS executives, just connect to this device and then connect to my Active Directory and then disable this account using PowerShell instead of connecting physically to that device or remotely to that device. My name is Kelvin Johnson, and please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more IT related video. If you think this video has been of any help to you, give me a thumb up for taking my time to create this video. Thank you very much and hope to see you next time. Bye.